Hi, this is going to be a quick demonstration of an update to the volumetric calculation tool. So after you have installed the program into a folder that you specified, you could start the program by double-clicking the application called main application. And it should be a .exe Windows executable. And when you open the program, it will show a console window. And it might take a while for the graphical user interface to show up. And the console window is here because I found that in the previous version, it was pretty hard to debug if something was going wrong with the program. And so by having this window, you can see exactly what is happening, and if something were to go wrong, you can get an error message out of it. So the first step here is to click Browse, and compared to the last version of the software, now you can choose multiple files. And so if I go into another folder here and I choose this file here, I can actually add it to my list of files. I can also choose a shapefile here. So I'm going to go in and choose a shapefile that I have already created. And now you can click Calculate. And the program will work for a while, and depending on the size of your files and how many files you decide to use, it may take longer than a couple of minutes. Okay, so now once the calculation is finished, the results will show up in a new window here. And basically what this is showing is that it is going through the 3 files and it is pairing them off. So as you can see here, 219, 225. And with the 3 files, you can generate 3 pairs. And so it will list the volume difference here. And you can choose to export this as a CSV file. And a CSV file can be read through a software like Excel. A new feature that I added was the Visualize feature. So if you click Visualize, first you need to select a pair to visualize. So if I select the second pair here, you can see that it actually generates a 3D surface plot of the 2 layers. And these 2 layers will be constrained to the area of the shapefile that you selected. And you can zoom in by holding down the right click button and dragging up or down. So in this case, down will be zooming in. And if you go into the settings here, you can change some of the display settings, as well as some of the other settings here. So in terms of the axes and in terms of the legend. So you can click Apply, you can give it a title, call this Figure 1. And then you could also choose to export this as an image or a PDF, or any of these file choices here. So I am going to be working on improving this visualization here, as well as moving this into Unity into the future. Thank you.